Hello everyone! In this video we are going to show you our MedITEX Accounting module. MedITEX Accounting allows you to be in full control of your finances as centralizes the management of accounting. It enables you to define invoice templates for different invoicing situations, track payments, and visualize the current status of your overall account balance. Together with all MedITEX solutions, MedITEX Accounting has a very straightforward interface. Here you can navigate through all options available for accounting. Clicking on the links from the navigation bar switches the content of the management view. Then on the right side of MedITEX Accounting, you can manage all invoice details. The content of this section will change according to the selected link on the sidebar. At the top of the window, there is a bar with a lot of buttons. The search field is also placed there. The menu bar is always the same independently of which section of the system you are on. You can create new invoices with billing items that have been manually added or automatically generated based on the procedures that your patient is undergoing, in addition to separate transactions like refunds, prepayments, or credit notes. With the possibility of dynamic resizing, you can adjust the size of the sections by moving the two controllers. This functionality enables more information to be viewed at once. MedITEX Accounting offers several lists and reports that have many important features, like sort, filter, or arrange columns. With the help of these, you can manage your lists. By clicking on the arrow next to the column header, you can filter the table by the data contained in that row. As a result, only that specific information will be displayed. To sort the list ascending or descending, simply click on the blue header of the desired column. It is also possible to move columns around the list by simply clicking and dragging. Two green arrows would help positioning these columns. One of the biggest advantages of managing lists is that each one is saved individually per user. So next time you log in, MedITEX Accounting will display your list just the way you left them. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're interested in purchasing MedITEX Accounting, please check the description below.